It was actually recommended to me by a past professor I had at Kent State University. I was, getting ready to graduate. I was getting a little bit nervous. I've been, applying to a lot of jobs and I wasn't getting too many callbacks. And when I initially looked at the description, how it was essentially set up to help prepare you for that transition between graduating, being in the program, and then, becoming a full-time account coordinator as a goal at the end of it. I thought that was, just perfect for me and my needs as a young professional. I felt like it would have really helped, set me up for success, which in turn it did. So initially it was just it was a layout of the program. It was perfect for what I needed at the time. And I think that it really allowed me to get confidence and, gain confidence in myself and know that the work that I was doing with the company was going to be impactful in the long run. But that's what initially drew me to it. And what stood out during my time in the actual program was how organized and supportive the whole company was. There were so many resources for me that really set me up for success. I was new to fintech. I never worked in the financial space before. So the fact that we had, Caliber Dictionary that had all the terms and the different phrases and what they meant, the different, newsletter resources that allowed me to subscribe to, specific fintech newsletters. It just really allowed me to immerse myself in the industry itself. And then in turn felt, more confident in the work that I was producing for our partners.